Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you all doing well. Today we are going to start the fourth numerical of kinematics from the past paper. So let's start. So the question is, a cyclist pedals along a raised horizontal track. At the end of the track, he travels horizontally onto the air and onto a track that is vertically 2 meters lower. The cyclist travels a horizontal distance of 6 meters in the air. The distance is negligible. What is the horizontal velocity v of the cyclist at the end of the higher track? And the options are A 6.3 meter per second, B 9.4 meter per second, C 9.9 meter per second, and D is 15 meter per second. This question is from the past paper November 2016, paper 11 and 13, question number 6. Now let's go for the solution. According to the question's condition, this is a projectile motion question, so the horizontal and vertical component of the motion can be considered separately. The quantity that can relate both motion is the time. Initially, since the cyclist is on a horizontal track, he has only a horizontal velocity v and no vertical velocity. Air resistance is negligible, so the only force causing an acceleration that affects the motion is the force of gravity, which is downward. So there are the three conditions are given: horizontal velocity, and there is no vertical velocity, and the gravity of force, which is acting downwards. Now consider the vertical component. Initial velocity is, that is, u is equals to 0, acceleration a is equals to 9.81 meter per second due to gravity, distance is 2 meter, and the time which we have to find out, which is to reach the lower horizontal track. Now by using the second equation of motion, that is s equals to ut plus half at square, by putting the values of s equals to 2, u is equals to 0, and a is equals to 9.81, we will find out the time. After finding the time, that is 0.64 seconds, so the cyclist takes 0.64 seconds to fall a vertical distance of 2 meters. During this 0.64 seconds, he also moves a horizontal distance of 606 meters simultaneously. So consider the horizontal component. Acceleration a is equals to 0, initial speed equals to final speed, it is v, distance traveled 6 meters, and the time taken 0.64. So now taking the formula speed equals to distance upon time, by putting the values distance is equals to 6 and time we have found 0.64. After dividing this, we will get the answer 9.4 meters per second, that is the speed of the cyclist. Thank you.